So welcome to the video that's sponsored by Sonicgear, and they've sent me the Audiox 600 HD Pro, which is essentially RGB speakers with high definition audio. It's a portable speaker. That's right. So this is one of their Pro Audio series. So your Pro Audio series is kind of this little category below their reference series that has the Studio Box, Studio Pod, and the Studio Bar, which I've all reviewed. Link in the description or top corner. So this one is the Pro Audio series. As you can see, it kind of looks like your classical boom box kind of speaker. You can carry it around, and well, as you can see, it's really huge. And yeah, it provides a freaking wireless microphone as well for your karaoke nights and all that. But yeah, another cool thing about this, according to the box, it has TWS function, which means if you have two different speakers, connect both of it and use it like a sort of a stereo speakers, which is pretty freaking cool. So the drivers are 30 watt drivers, 15 watt RMS tweeters, pretty freaking cool. So yeah, ooh, and on the back it states that, well, it's got Bluetooth, SD card support, karaoke with your microphones, rechargeable lithium battery. So yes, this thing is rechargeable. 100% full charge gets you roughly around 4.5 hours. Yeah, it's according to Sonicgear. It roughly allows 4.5 hours of usage, which is pretty decent in my opinion. Obviously, it also has USB support. It has an FM radio and an auxiliary input. And the best part of all, RGB. So that's all the features that should really matter. It's not even that heavy. I mean, like there's some heft to it, but it's not too heavy, you know? So there's that. So on opening this speaker, you're greeted with the microphone. That's right. They didn't provide any batteries though, so that's a bit annoying. Thought I could test it out. You know what? We'll try to find some batteries and see what we can do with this. They provided the aux 3.5 aux input, and also, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, a USB Type A to Type C cable to charge it? That's a very small cable if I'm gonna be honest with you. So yeah. Ooh. There you go. This is how the speaker looks like. You got your metal grill in the front, you got Sonicgear in the front. Ooh, and there you go. On the top part, you got like your handle over here where you lug it around. You got your volume button and your mic volume button, and also the mute button, the different mode buttons, backwards, pause and play, skip, and your RGB button to sort of fluctuate between different color cycles essentially. Very cool. And over here, if I'm assuming it's gonna be your little port for you to put your devices on, your phone or your iPad as a screen essentially. Very cool. But in the back, you got all your different kind of ports. You got your guitar input. Yes, you can actually put a guitar input, or if you have a wired microphone, there's a wired mic input over here. And this is a guitar, so this is how you control your guitar volume, audio, auxiliary input, USB input, micro SD card, and there's a display over here that I'm assuming shows your battery and all sorts. Very nice, very straightforward. And this is your air outlet to let the air go in and out for a good performance. So yeah, let's try to open this, shall we? So let's turn this on, shall we? Ooh. Very interesting startup. Oh wow, look at that. That is very cool. Look at that. The volume indicator is the RGB. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Like that touch. Okay. I'm gonna put it down a little bit. There's a little bit LED indicator. Not sure what that was. So these are the colors. We'll test this. We'll change the cycles later when we're testing out the music. So yeah. very loud.
Bluetooth is connected.
My god, it's so loud. What? So I've just taken a little bit of unbox therapy, non-copyright music. So you can just dock it over here like this. Look at that! Very nice. So screen that. Yeah, this is not sponsored by Unbox Therapy, but yeah. I'm not sure what this icon's for. Sound quality wise, it's very good. Test out the RGB color. So this one is, I guess, off. So this one is a little bit more rotating pulse-esque. Very interesting. Orange color. So this one is similar effect, but it changes between colors. Ooh, this one's a waveform. It fluctuates between different colors. Ooh, I like this one. And then this one goes back to the normal RGB circle. So yeah, I guess that's it. It'll be something fun to like lug around in a festival or a camping trip. A little bit of Coldplay, shall we? So you can basically open Spotify, put the lyrics below, and boom, perfect for karaoke. I've essentially made it work. You're gonna hear two different voices. Oh my god, I like this. So, can't attend Coldplay concert because it's sold out, despite spending hours lighting up. So, Coldplay, if you're watching this video or anyone want to sponsor me 2 tickets, do let me know. Okay? It's so weird. Essentially, you can just put this setup, Spotify, with the lyrics over here, and boom, karaoke party. How cool is that? Hello. So this adds, so I can change the echo. It can make me sound like I'm performing live in Bukit Jalil alongside Chris Martin. That's right. I'm having a little bit too much fun with this. Why do I put it all the way down? So now it doesn't sound like much, but yeah. Now, you know what? Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Holy shit. So that was the Audiox Pro 600 HD edition. I'm going to be honest with you, this was fun to review. Because it's not essentially just a speaker, but a karaoke machine which just adds a little, it's a little special, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you want to have a fun time, listen to great music with all your friends and family, in the outdoors or indoors even, perfect speaker for you. So you want to get one of these, the link will be in the description below. Thank you Sonicgear for sponsoring me this video, sending me this pretty amazing speaker. I'm going to be using this a decent amount in my room all alone, screaming to Linkin Park songs and Coldplay songs too. Yeah, this is a pretty cool. Yeah, this is a pretty cool speaker. So yeah, if you want to check out more info on this speaker, link in the description as well. And that'll be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Do see my other speaker reviews on Sonicgear products and other different products. I recently reviewed Rhino Shield cases. You want to go check that out? Link in the description, top corner, anywhere. I don't know where I've placed it. Probably at the end of the video. So yeah, that'll be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.